Hey there, how you doing? This is Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine. One of the most common questions I get asked, what's the minimum FICO score the VA requires? Well, in this video, I'm going to break this down and what this all means. So stand by to get some.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak.
This is the most common misconception and myth that surrounds the VA home loan. What is the minimum FICO score the VA requires? Now, to really truly answer this question, I need to explain what lender overlays are. So there's two entities at play here. The first one is lending institutions, banks, lenders. The other entity is the VA. The VA's role in this and the lender's role in this. Lenders give money. The VA insures the lender in the event of default or foreclosure. They guarantee, this is where the VA guarantee comes from, VA Guarantee Loan Program. They guarantee a lender 25% of the original loan balance in the event of default or foreclosure. Now, the VA has set guidelines, minimum guidelines, in which a veteran home buyer must meet. Now, a lender, considering that they're giving their own money, they can add on any additional layer of risk protection to ensure the money that they give will be paid back on time each and every month for the duration of the loan. Okay? So, the VA guidelines. What does the VA guideline require for a minimum FICO score? The answer is, there isn't any. Okay? Because lenders are giving their own money and they set their own additional layer of risk protection, he who holds the gold makes the rules. So every lender across the country is different when it comes to minimum FICO score requirement. So veterans, active duty personnel, military families, quit spreading the myths and untruths, please. Okay? Every lender is different. Most lenders require a 580 or higher. There are some lenders that require a 620, and there are other lenders that are higher than that. Now, the reason why we analyze FICO score is because a good indication of future behavior is to analyze the past. On the credit report, it shows and demonstrates your financial responsibility. Have you been able to demonstrate responsibility enough to pay your bills on time, enough to satisfy us that if we're going to give you $200,000, are you likely to make an on-time payment each and every month for the duration of the loan? Okay? Now, this is a lender overlay. So every lender is different. So you need to do your due diligence on shopping lenders. So as a consumer, you are not penalized. I'm going to repeat that. You are not penalized for shopping lenders. So if you have a hard credit pull, that dreaded hard credit pull, all right, by 4 mortgage lenders, it's all considered to be the same. It does not matter. So yes, you can have your credit pulled, all right, and your FICO score decreases about 3 points for 30 days and it rebounds right back up. Okay, so having your credit pulled by multiple lenders is not a bad thing. Common overlays that I deal with every day are the FICO score requirement, property types. This is a big one. I can't even tell you how many people blame the VA for not allowing manufactured or mobile homes. False. VA will allow financing on manufactured or mobile homes. Not all lenders do. Another one. I hear this all the time too. Seasoning requirement from bankruptcy. Okay? Every lender, almost every lender that you talk to will tell you you need 2 years since the date of discharge. False. VA guidelines state after 12 months, a lender can give favorable consideration as long as the veteran has reestablished financial responsibility. Now, there's 2 types of bankruptcies, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a reset button, wiping out all your debts. It's very difficult for you to reestablish financial responsibility within 12 months. However, it can be done. Chapter 13 bankruptcy, reconsolidation of all your debts. It's an attempt on your end to repay the debts. So if you have made 12 consecutive payments in Chapter 13, it is possible, 100% possible, to provide you a VA home loan. Don't let anybody tell you differently. All right? So I'm going to end with this. Here's how you can tell the difference between an okay, average, good originator, and a true expert. Other lenders may know the guidelines. A true expert knows the exceptions to those guidelines. So do your due diligence, shop your lenders, and if you need somebody, please reach out to me. I'm happy to connect you with my network and my team of VA home loan experts. Again, my name is Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine. Have a great week. Get after it. Semper Fi.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak.